Guys, so this is what it looks like so far. No, the rain didn't knock this down. I put this down so the rain doesn't knock it down. Anyway, it's already dropping stuff on the vehicle. So we're about to back the vehicle up because all of the vehicles, as you can see, we kind of lined them up because we're under a lot of trees. So I can't move the Mozzie because it doesn't, it needs some work right now, so it won't move. So I backed up this, but yeah, as you can see right now, all of the vehicles, we parked them on the side. That way we can kind of do some, what they call it, damage control. So better safe than sorry, as they say. Does it have gas? Guys, so I was trying to avoid, because as you can see, the car is under a lot of trees. But for whatever reason, it's not starting up. So, oh my gosh, it's cold. That raindrop is like freaking cold. I'm not expecting. Pushing it on this side where the, over here. We're gonna line it up, yeah, across the street. Cause not under the light pole, but you know, there's nothing there to fall on it. Yeah. So just push. Andrew's staring it, so you're just pushing. Okay. And then stop. It's okay. And then let him line it up so he can come over. Broke the neighbor's fence. So right here, a branch did break off of the tree. And surprisingly, the street, thankfully, did not overflood. Normally on a regular rainy day, this street is filled all the way up to the grass, guys. I did park my truck up on the sidewalk just in case that happened, but we didn't have that issue this time. Some trees fell down. debris on the road. It's really like just a lot of debris, guys. So guys, on their boards it says better safe than sorry. So I have another property that I have here in Orlando that I have to go drive by, and I'm just gonna check just to make sure there's no damages. But as of right now, it's just a lot of debris. I'm gonna show you guys the trees. So you see their gate fell down. The tree fell down in the middle of the road here. So those are like some of the major damages that you're seeing. This side of town actually is known for flooding, I think. It's on the news. The traffic light is out here. So like right here, guys, the traffic light's out. So this is one of those lights where we just all have to use our common sense, you know, and everyone just kind of has to be considerate because the light's out. See right over there, the lights are working up here, which this light isn't really an issue because it's not a lot of traffic crossing at this light. Going down this road, guys, this light as well, it's not working properly. You've got fences down over here. Like I said, like the fences, some damages to the fences, more debris on the ground. You see like right here. Fell down on the road. And this light as well isn't working properly. Debris on the road. Basically, what you guys seen is just what happened around me. Nothing major. I do know that not too far up the road there was a neighborhood that was really flooded, and they did have to send out the rescue team out there to remove them from their houses safely. A lot of the cars were submerged underwater. and let's just, send them out a prayer. Send good energy out their way, guys, because right now I can't imagine what I would be doing right now if my house was over flooded and I had to evacuate. It's just, I can only imagine, guys, how people who have to go through that, how they feel. So I want to be very thankful and tell God how grateful I am that He did spare my neighbors and myself that heartache. I seen downtown was flooded. Looks like the lake also overflowed into the streets, but I don't think any serious damage has been done. So hopefully, I do know parts of Florida did suffer, and my heart goes out to them. My prayers go out to them that they will be able to rebuild from this. Hurricanes, they're scary things. I don't get hyped up about it. I probably should more over prepared, but we did have a generator, guys. I'm afraid to use the generator. So I didn't turn it on. I figured I would look into using the generator if for some reason the power is out tomorrow, then I would hook up the generator. But as of right now, power is back on. So thankfully I don't have to use it, but I'm good. My family's good. I went by my boyfriend's mom's house. She didn't lose power, thank God. So my son stayed there for a while because he was hungry. He wanted some hot food, guys. Guys, that was just a preview of just some of the damage nearby me. Nothing major, just a lot of debris. Thank God, guys. So I, definitely want to thank the Lord for sparing my neighbors and myself from any major disasters. We can deal with the debris, the fallen trees, the loss of power. I think I lost power for like 7 hours, but even that was, manageable. I just didn't get to work earlier, but the power is back on, as you can see. So I am about to go back and clock in so I can get paid, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. I will be back with more updates and more content later. Peace.